bad bitch. I'm about to solve a fucking crime. What up, sugar? Hello? Ooh, it's so yes. Okay, first of all, public service announcement. Don't fucking ask somebody, is that a wig? And, you know, people want to know how the magic trick works instead of just enjoying the magic. You know what I'm saying? Because this is magic, baby. Yes, hello. Let's see how El Blanco looks. This gives me a little bit more of a Halloween vibe. I mean, this is low-key fun, though. I like how the light catches. Look at that. I feel like I feel like an angel. I have come to you!
The power of
Amazon compels me.
Work is done.
Hey, thanks for watching my unboxing. For more, subscribe or follow me on Instagram, TinaTurntables_.